Hey Wengie, are you feeling okay? Like, you haven't pranked me in a while, and I know you love doing that. Like, not that I'm complaining. No, I'm fine. Everything's okay. You sure? You just don't seem like your usual self. I guess I'm feeling a bit sick. Oh. Achoo! Oh, gross! I'm back! Hey guys, it's Wengie and hugs prank. Just kidding. Alright guys, so today I have 10 funny DIY pranks and hacks that you can try on your friends and family. By special request, we're bringing back the MacBook Air giveaway. So if you guys want to win a MacBook Air, all you need to do is be part of this family and subscribe. I'm going to pick randomly from one of my subscribers. Good luck to you guys, and it will be drawn on this date. Alright guys, let's go. I'm gonna get that Wengie back. Here's a prank if you're feeling a little salty, like Wendy is right now. Take 2 identical bottles of Coke and another bottle of soy sauce. Ugh. Pour out about 1/4 of one bottle and then fill it right back up with your soy sauce. Make sure the liquid level is about the same and your prank is set. Just make sure you remember which one is which. You don't want to accidentally prank yourself. Ugh. Tastes good, right? So everyone loves Starburst and Play-Doh, I guess, but one is better for eating and the other is better for not eating. It just so happens that we have a Play-Doh color that corresponds to each Starburst color. This is probably the universe telling me that I should do this prank. First, just unwrap and remove your Starburst. Next, take a pinch of Play-Doh. I had to experiment by mixing some pink with orange and white to get the color to match the Starburst exactly, and I got it pretty close in the end. What do you guys think? Next, just squeeze it to size and cut it into a square. Now just add some lines on the top so it looks even more convincing. Put it back into the wrapper and your prank is set. Funny story guys, after I finished filming this video, Max saw the prank Starburst lying around and actually took a bite out of it, so this definitely works. Hey Wengie, you gonna eat all the Starburst? No, help yourself. Thanks. What is this? Play-Doh? Well, it's technically edible. Oh! Wengie! Wengie loves her tea and I'm pretty sure she likes onions. So maybe she'll like onion tea. Just peel an onion and drop it straight into a kettle and let it boil. When it's ready, pour out a delicious warm cup of onion juice. Hope she isn't going on a date after this. Hey Wengie, I made you some tea. You said you were feeling a bit sick, so you gotta stay hydrated. Oh, thanks. Is that the doorbell? Don't mind if I do. Oh, Wengie! I'm gonna get that Wendy back. I know just the thing. Got a sponge lying around? Turn it into a delicious sponge cake with some icing sugar and food coloring. Just mix the icing sugar with some water according to the instructions on the pack and add some food coloring of your choice. I chose pink. Next, cover your sponge cake really well with the icing on all sides. When you're done, add some sprinkles for the final touch. Wait till the icing dries and then cut off the parts that drip down onto the plate, and your prank is ready to be served.
Where did she go? Wengie's cake. Do not touch. You snooze, you lose. Oh! What is this?
Next time you're at home, try this simple prank on your friends or family. Just take their computer mouse and stick a piece of tape over the sensor. Feel free to leave a funny message on your tape. Make sure you aren't around when they realize what you've done.
Wengie!
Hey Wendy, studying hard?
Yeah, I hate chemistry.
You know what you need? Some brain food. Skittles are the best. M&Ms, also the best. But mixed together, oh my gosh, the worst combination of flavors in the world. It's kind of like weird food combinations that people love. Except, nobody loves it. Anyways, this prank is super easy, but super evil.
Enjoy? Actually, come to think of it, I'm so hungry. I think I missed lunch. Oh. Oh. It's so weird. Ah, that was so weird.
For this next prank, just print out a picture of a cockroach and carefully cut around it. The more careful you are with this part, the better the prank will be. When you're ready, just stick this onto the inside of a lampshade with some clear tape and your friend will be in for a scare. Cockroaches are like my worst fear, so if you actually do this to me, I might not talk to you for a while. Just saying.
These aren't bad when you eat them one by one. Wengie!
Speaking of poop, did you know you can easily make a prank poop out of a used toilet roll? Yep, don't ask me how the internet comes up with stuff like this, but apparently it's true. Hope you aren't eating right now. Just scrunch it under running water and oh my gosh, that looks a little too real, right? Well, the prank is now ready. free.
No, make your own.
You owe me. You pranked me before.
Fine.
For this next prank, we're gonna swap an apple for a potato. Just chop up a potato into slices resembling apple slices. Make sure they're the red skin potatoes. You'll notice they look surprisingly similar to apples when cut up like this. Just pop some peanut butter onto the plate and your prank is ready. Got your snack! Here you go, your favorite, apples and peanut butter. Oh, thanks! Oh! Wengie!
Gross.
This next prank is truly evil. Take some baby powder and pour it into your friend's hairdryer. Although they won't be your friend for long after this. Yep, that's all there is to it. All you gotta do is wait for the loud screams coming from the bathroom.
Wengie! Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me which one your favorite prank was down below. And don't forget to check out my new song, Lace Up, that is still out. How many times have you guys played it? And I've linked it down below for you guys if you haven't seen it already. Don't forget to enter the MacBook Air giveaway. All you need to do is be part of the family. So good luck to you guys, and I'll be back with another video next week. Bye guys! Love you!